The one word secret to manifest fast is switch words. Yes, switch words are magical words. Have you ever wished there was a shortcut to shift your mindset, to attract abundance, or to break a negative habit instantly? Well, there is one, and it starts with one word: switch words. So friends, welcome to the world of switch words, where language becomes magic and your words become a spell. They become your wand. So what are these switch words? Let us understand them. Switch words are single, powerful words that can switch your energy from one state to another. Think of them like mental shortcuts or energetic codes. They were coined by James T. Mangan. I hope I'm pronouncing well. And I'm talking about 1960s. These words bypass overthinking and just go very straight to your subconscious, helping you align to your goals almost effortlessly. Like for example, together, this is for teamwork or harmony. Divine is for clarity and for higher guidance. Reach is to achieve a goal or manifest success. So how do they work? They work, you have to understand, on your subconscious. You react to these words, you receive these words, you feel these words. Our subconscious doesn't process complex affirmations the way we think. It responds to better symbols or emotions or single clues like these switch words. So imagine you are anxious before a meeting and you say switch word together softly to your own self in your mind. Instantly, your mind aligns with connection, cooperation, and calm. It's like flipping a switch, hence the name. These words don't require your belief also or effort. It is just what is required is your intention and repetition. So some popular switch words are there and their uses are there. While I will be giving you a list in the description, but here are some of the most common popular switch words. You can start using it. Count. To attract money or abundance, you can say count. Be, B-E-B, to stay calm and centered. Find, to locate lost items or clarity. Love, to bring affection or self-worth. Praise, to uplift yourself and or to manifest faster. Clear, to let go the negative energy or confusion. You can repeat them silently, whisper them throughout the day, or even you can write it down. It is that simple. Now you have to create your own practice. So this practice can be like journaling, repeating the switch words during meditation. You can do it multiple ways. Here's how you can use the switch words daily. Pick one word that aligns with your intention for that day and repeat it 20-30 times like a mantra. Visualize the outcome as you say it. Stay consistent because results can be like subtle or sudden. You need to keep patience. I would love to give you a bonus tip. Combine 2-3 switch words for stronger impact, like together, divine reach. This is for manifesting aligned success. How is this? I hope you loved it. So the next time you feel stuck, anxious or blocked, don't overthink. Just switch, because sometimes one word is all it takes to change everything. If you found this helpful, do like and subscribe my channel and also comment which was your favorite switch word.